For today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can fold your hoodie into a beautiful little pillow that you can bring on your flights, on the bus, wherever you need that pillow. This is also a super space effective way to fold your garments. So if you need to save a little bit extra space, it's great for that as well. Now, if you don't have a hoodie, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to do this on a regular sweater as well, in a little bit of a different fashion there. But since this one is a little bit tricky, let's slow it down and I'll show you how to do this in more detail. By the way, if you want a free cheat sheet with 5 of my best packing hacks, including this one, I'm gonna put together like a step-by-step illustrated guide. You can download it for free over on my website, which is organizing.tv/pack. Head over there now if you want, and you can download that cheat sheet, or you can wait until the end of the video, up to you. What we're gonna do here is that we're gonna start by laying the hoodie down here. We're gonna start with the back side facing up, like this. Now, if you have a zipper on your hoodie, make sure that it's zippered up, otherwise this is not going to work. First of all, we're going to take the arms, I'm going to fold them over to the opposite side. You want to fold them a little bit upward towards the shoulders. You will see that while later. And repeat on the other side, so completely overlapping the first side, like this. Beautiful. From here, we're going to split the hoodie into 3 parts from side to side. So I'm going to take one of the sides and I'm going to fold it in over like this, so that it kind of lines up with the other edge of the hoodie there. And repeat on the other side, completely overlapping the first side, like so. From here, we're going to start rolling up the hoodie. Now, you don't want to roll this tightly. You want it to be a little bit loose so that it's nice and fluffy for your head. If you want to roll it up like this just to save space, that works totally fine as well. Then you obviously could roll it a little bit more tightly. Once you make it up here to the top of the hood, take the hood and bring it over the roll. So you want to bring it inside out over like this. Ta-da! And here you have a beautiful hoodie pillow. Now, what I like to do as well is just tighten up these strings a little bit, and I just go ahead and I make a little knot here, a beautiful little I don't know what to call it even. It looks like something you'd see on Instagram or something, right? No, not Instagram, actually Pinterest, I think. So there we go, beautiful, nice and fluffy. And you can bring this, especially on flights, this is nice because then you don't need to bring that neck thing and you can still have a comfortable flight just laying against this thing. Obviously, if you don't have a hoodie, you have a problem here. So what I figured I'd do is to show you how to do this on a regular sweater without the hood as well. Now, this is going to be a little bit of a different fold. So as you can see, also very comfortable, not as comfortable. I prefer the hoodies. This does save a little bit more space though, so that's pretty cool. So what we're gonna do here, start by laying it down. This time you can just lay it with the front side facing up like this. As you can see, it does also crease up the garment a little bit. And then from here, we're gonna flip the bottom inside out like this. Now you want to flip it quite far up. I would go as far as 1/3 the length of the sweater here. So depending on the size of your sweater, of course, this is going to vary in inches, but I think this is probably 7-8 inches, something like that. And we're going to fix this on the back side here as well, otherwise it will not turn out well. So once you fix the back side, fold it back over like that. And then we're going to take the arms here and we fold them over to the other side, like we did with a hoodie. And like this. Beautiful. And then we're going to split it into 3 parts again. So this part is very similar. So fold it over like that. And from here, I'm going to turn the hoodie around so that I have the neck facing me. And I'm going to fold it over like this. So approximately 1/3 of the way. This lines up nicely with arms inside. And we fold it over one more time like this. Now we can lift it up to the side. And we're going to ring the elastic band on this one, but the bottom of the sweatshirt over the remainder of this pillow. So like this, you can kind of adjust it. Again, you don't want to make this super tight, otherwise it's going to be like sleeping on concrete. It's much better if you fit it a little bit loosely. So you can see, oh, that's nice and comfortable. Oh, that would be fantastic on a plane or a bus, or wherever, maybe even your bed if you are so inclined. Now you can do this more tightly as well, and that way you will save more space in your bag. So if that is your goal, that's going to work well. Let me just get some packing cubes here and I'll show you how I pack this usually. So these are some of the other packing hacks that you get in that cheat sheet. Shorts and pants. I like to separate them into, like, I keep tops in one packing cubes, I keep bottoms in one. That way it's super easy to know where everything is, right? So I bought this new packing cube here. This is another one of the folding hacks. And I'm going to place it in here, like so. As you can see, the hood is quite more sizable. So if you want to save space, go with the second fold I showed you there. But the hoodie thing is going to crease way less, so keep that in mind. So we're going to close up the packing cube. Super easy, right? Like that. And if you don't have compression on your packing cubes, you would be done at this point. You could just place it into your luggage. If you have compression, you can close it up like this. Compression packing cubes are awesome in some ways. They do help you save a ton more space in your luggage. So these work whether you have a suitcase, a bag, anything really. But obviously, the more you're going to squeeze together your clothes, the more creased they're going to get as well. So if you have compression packing cubes, you want to kind of squeeze down the fabric in front as you pull the zipper close. Otherwise, the zipper is going to get stuck inside the fabric of the packing cube. And there we go. Beautiful. And hard. Not comfortable to sleep on at all. But it does save a ton of space. So if you just use a simple backpack like me, you can travel with this with carry-on actually, because they take up so little room. So you can just place it in there, and then you know exactly what clothes you have at what place. So now you can just pull up, oh yeah, these are all my sweaters, hoodie, pillows. So I'm ready with that when I need them. Guys, I hope this was super helpful. Go ahead and download that cheat sheet over at organizing.tv/pack. I'm also gonna add like a little box link here that you can tap right now, and you'll be brought over to the website where you can instantly download that cheat sheet. 5 packing hacks gonna help you save tons of space. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.